Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about NFTs, where I see the state of the NFT market right now. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about Bitcoin and this total two, and where I see us going in the next couple of weeks, depending on what's going on these charts. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and if you need me to make a video about any coin, any tutorial, anything in cryptocurrency that you might need my help understanding, let me know and I'll make a video exclusively for you. And if you want to contact me directly, ask me questions directly, ask me for the link for the Telegram and I will get you in there. It's gamified, there's prizes and things like that. We'll have the first one going on September. We're gonna do our first ever vote September 1st to vote for who we feel has been bringing the most value to the group. So let's just get right into this Bitcoin chart right now. Looking at the Bitcoin chart, look, nice pumpage. Came back down, got to the 33. So we didn't quite get the retracement back to the 13, but it was pretty close. Came back down to the previous close, and that's good. That's good. As long as it came back down to the previous close, I did mention that too. That's good to see on these charts. Looking like it wants to recover. This chart is looking very strange, at least from the charts that I've seen since my little couple years of trading. Is only two. I'm not like a chart expert or anything like that, and I don't pretend to be. I just do what I do and I does what I does, and it gets me what it gets me. So right now we bounced off the we kind of bounced off the 13, but I'm still thinking maybe we can come back down and still test these levels a little bit, give this stochastic RSI maybe a little bit more downside before we continue this blast off. What's cool is we are at some previous close levels on this chart right now, so breaking through those would be giving us the next leg up, and pretty soon we should be testing the 50k level. If we fail right here, like if tomorrow, I'll tell you what, if this candle comes all the way down here and engulfs this bullish candle, then yeah, all this bullishness kind of is not looking good. But I don't think that's going to happen, to be honest with you. But TA doesn't tell us the future. It just gives us an if then statement. If this happens, I do this with my funds. If that happens, I do that with my funds. If it's not financial advice, if you don't know how to do all of this stuff and you're not into trading and you don't do trading, then holding and dollar cost averaging is still the best strategy for you guys. But still, on this weekly chart, we still have room to run back up. This is the stochastic RSI right here, and let me bring up that MACD for you. So look at this MACD getting closer and closer to this cross. Look, algorithms, trading bots, they buy based on the MACD. So when this thing crosses, we should see some interesting things happening. Maybe it might be a fake out and it could dump, but when it crosses, usually, a bullish cross on the MACD for the weekly is good, just like a bearish cross on the MACD is bad on the weekly. That give us a lot of weeks of, good bullish momentum. Last time we had a bullish cross on the MACD was when we were down here at $10,000 Bitcoin. That's the last time we had a bullish cross on the weekly MACD. So we're coming up on one of those again. We were at $10,000 Bitcoin. Right now we're sitting at 45k. So yeah, man, your influencers and all your friends telling you that Bitcoin's going to 20k, maybe one day, I don't know. Doesn't look like it right now though. Going into the total two right here, we have this resistance line that we're hitting right here that we can't get above, which is $1.09 trillion for the altcoins. So we need some more bullish momentum out of Bitcoin and the rest of these coins to continue this. But like I said, things have been pumping pretty crazy for the last couple weeks. So seeing a bearish week would not be anything that was like too bad. But I don't want to see a bearish week. Maybe one bearish week like right here, but I don't really want to see one until we get this higher high, get us a close like right there or right there, and then give me a bearish weekend and I'll feel a little bit better. I just don't want to come up here, like I said in my last video, I don't want to come up here, have a higher low, and then we get some trend line like that. That would pretty much suck. We want to avoid that situation. So looking at the total, same thing as the total too, basically. So just take what I said and apply it to here. So NFTs. So right now, NFTs, there's a bunch of NFTs on the market. You see people buying these JPEGs and stuff like that, and there's these communities going on and stuff like that. What I'm seeing right now is similar to the hype that we had in DeFi, in the DeFi summer, and then also similar to the hype that we had in the Dogecoin, Dogcoin, meme coin situation. Very, very similar. Bunch of random stupid projects that are popping up, taking people's money and then disappearing. So the euphoria right now is at an all-time high because people are saying, hey, it doesn't even matter what I buy, I can buy a rock and it's going to go up to $10,000. Well, that's not going to happen for that much longer. Let me just tell you, euphoria is at an all-time high. You can look at the psychology of the market chart and take a look at where we are. So I love NFTs, don't get me wrong. I think in the future, DeFi NFTs and NFTs that have solid communities that offer things like access to special events and stuff like that are going to be huge in the future. Tickets as NFTs is going to be huge in the future. Licenses as NFTs is going to be huge in the future. Profile pics as NFTs will probably be huge in the future, but there's going to be a very chosen few. 99% of them are going to go to zero, so be very, very cautious. I'm seeing way too much euphoria in the NFT game, myself included. So that's just something that I have to check myself on, and I'm just bringing it to your guys' attention so you guys don't make any mistakes or anything like that, and we can get this money together. You feel me? So with that being said, I will show you a couple NFTs that have some interesting things going on. Penelope's Country Club, very interesting things going on, getting on the radar of some big NFT holders. I'm seeing the bids on my OpenSea for my teacher wallet. This is the wallet that I use to teach people with. I do like one-on-one consultations. If you need one of those, it's very limited, but hit me up for that. But I do those. But this is the wallet that I use for that. And this one right here, Penelope's Country Club, you can see the offers are going up. It was $82, now it's $132. This one is getting on a lot of people's radar. There's top people in the NFT game who are buying this NFT right here, and there's other things going on with it. There's a club, there's a charity, there's a bunch of different things that make people want to get into this NFT, and the price floor is rising. Now, I don't see, like I said, these price floors rising for the next 5 years, so it's not something that I can't say that I see it doing this for a long time. Now, of course, I could be wrong and people could just get into NFTs and it can keep going up. I think it's going to be substantial, but I think ones like this who kind of solidify themselves, get 10,000 solid individuals. Right now there's only 100, there's only 1,000 people who are into it. Get 10,000 solid individuals who will rep this thing and show up to events, and you might have something going for that NFT. The next one that I want to talk about is and I've talked about it on this channel before because of the game, but that's the Eververse, and that's just because they have a game going on and stuff like that. And for me, this is for fun. You know what I mean? Don't beat me up, but there's a lot of people, I'm gonna say it's not like serious investing. It's for fun. It's for flipping. Similar to like flipping baseball cards. You can make a lot of money doing it, but you have to really be in love with baseball to enjoy it in the long run. So that's just something to think about as we go into this NFT thing right now. I see a lot of people throwing money at random NFTs, just saying, hey, what can I buy? I think it's gonna go up, and that's the quickest way to lose money. That's what happened in DeFi summer, and that's what happened with all the meme coins that nobody talks about anymore, right? Like what happened to like Dog Moon Safe Coin or whatever, Shib Doge Moon. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what you guys think about NFTs. Am I wrong? You know what I mean? Are these profile pictures going to be worth millions of dollars someday? Do you agree with me on everything that I talked about in this video? Do you think we are bullish? Do you think we are bearish right now? Like I said, we are still in kind of a little teeter-totter zone, but more on the bullish side, so something to get excited about. So happy Friday to everybody out there. Hope you guys had a good Friday. Have a nice Saturday. Think positive, and positive things will happen. If you got somebody at home who's making food for you, remember that they deserve random gifts. Like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Till next time, peace.